Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to delete other storage on your Mac operating system. It's very simple to delete other storage on Mac. You just follow the instruction and delete very easily. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. First of all, we see how exactly other storage available on my Mac operating system. So simply click your Apple menu, about this Mac, overview, display storage. I click the storage, wait couple of seconds for the calculation. After finish the calculation, other storage is like 48.14 GB available on my Mac operating system. So how to delete? Simply for open your clean my Mac application you have installed. So you just follow this instruction, otherwise you can install. I'm putting this link in video description. You just click on that particular link. I already make also video for the clean my Mac application regarding. You just watch this video, otherwise click on that particular link and install clean my Mac software. And here several menus are available. So one file options are there, a large and old file. So simply scan this one. So here other disk space is available like here. So I'm simply delete this one, 11 GB, clean. So again my Mac operating system are increase the storage device because I am deleting this particular space and other disk. So simply again I open. Firstly 48 GB is there and now 25 GB is there other space. So you just follow this instruction and delete here how many garbage values are available like here. So this one is other space, other utility. So you can delete this one, which file is important, which file is not important. So accordingly you delete very easily such kind of files or data and increase your other storage on Mac operating system. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.